All right, guys, it's Sunday. Tyler and all them were at like a party or something. So they're gone for like the next 2 weeks doing other stuff, but it's just me for now. It's like Sunday. I started kind of late. I wish I started a little earlier, but whatever. I'll show you what we got under here so far. Huffing paint all morning. So, just primering. Yeah, so I just primered these spots though to get them ready for the undercoat part of it. But they're ready to rock and roll almost, so that's looking good. Yeah, so that's looking all right. I got all my parts here. They're all cured for sure. I mean, it's been like a week. I just got to do like clean these inside things. They got paint inside of them and that one too. So I bought these two wheels. Yeah, so I'm gonna set you up because I gotta get moving and get some stuff done, but it's looking pretty good. The paint that we used that was supposed to be like, you know, just random paint line around came out pretty nice. So as far as I'm concerned, it's all right. So I'll set you guys up and I'll get to work. All right, guys, I just got all like the paint. I should have just taped it off. I don't know why we didn't, but whatever. So I had to like get the paint out of all the holes for the bushings that I'm putting in. But next up is we're putting in the Garagistic bushings. Apparently they're labeled, so I guess I'll go from there if I figure. I mean, I think it's pretty straightforward, but if I any useful tips, I'll let you know. But I'm just gonna kind of push through and put these things in. So yeah, and then I'll get back to you guys in a minute. But I'll put you up so you can see it. So get it done.
All right, guys. So I don't know if this will pick it up, but it looks like it. Like, see, it says lower rear, top front. See the bevel on it right there? That's I'll show you. On the underside here, there's a lip, and this lip meets up with it, and then it sits flush instead of like some of the other ones where it's just solid all the way around. Then it sits, instead of flat, it sits like, you know, cocked a little bit. So that's why I went with these ones. Apparently they're just better, so just wanted to point that out. But these ones are definitely quality, so that's why we chose them. Also, I didn't get any grease with this kit because I didn't buy the whole kit. But I'm just using like plumbing grease, which is like high heat grease. I mean, use whatever you got, but this does the trick.
All right, so this is what I was talking about that I saw. I think it was on like Rome's videos. There's like the edge, right? And there's the edge right there. So you just want to line that up, you know, so it fits in there, and then it will sit flat, and that's the way you want it. So that's all I was trying to tell you guys. All right, guys, that went well, and it looks really good. So obviously here you go. They're all in. It's pretty straightforward. If you really need to, go to Garagistic YouTube, and they have like a whole tutorial on it. You
You'll probably notice I was watching it the whole time I did just to make sure I did it right, but it's pretty easy. Like, they all just push right in if you get the reds. I don't know about the blues and the aluminum, but yeah. So that went well. So now I'm just working on getting the old e-brake off, because with the Willwood setup that I'm putting on it for like a hydro, you can't have this on there. So taking it off, I'm almost positive that it can't be on there. If not, I'm gonna keep all the parts, put them in a bucket, but should be all right. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute and you can watch me do this. All right, guys, I had to get the emergency cables out and they were like really stuck. Apparently that's like a normal thing, so I just cut them out. I really don't care. I'm not using it. I saved all the goodies if I ever wanted to put the stuff back on the car, but I'll probably buy it new like I did everything else for this thing anyway. But I'm almost there. I just got to cut the shield off, so I'll show you that, I guess. But I got everything out without taking the hub off, so that was cool. Kind of a pain. I had to use like a socket and like a pair of pliers to undo the bolts. But other than that, it went well. So I'm just going to cut the shield off, and then I guess I'm not sure. I might wait to mount the calipers with Tyler, because I don't know. I think he'd like that, but I don't know. I might, because I don't really think I'll be able to get this thing painted really by today, but I can get everything else ready to go. So I'll probably just do that. But all right, so there's that. Probably clean them up so they don't look like shit, but the paint got deeper than I thought, so I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Hold up. What way do you want it? Here, you want me to flip it?
Yeah. Going backwards.
Oh.
I'm Mr. Backwards.
Watch yourself.
Yep. Give me the dick.
Watch your pants. Grease.
I ain't worried about that. He's worried about that. Going straight?
No.
Which way?
There. These things, you gotta put these, they're gonna be a pain in the ass.
No, they're not. Give me the goddamn pins. Let's go.
No, I meant because I can't hold it.
I don't need to hold it. I'll take the damn thing down to the safe. Or to the
safe.
To the safe. I'm taking it to the safe.
All right, guys, I'm back after a shitload of grinding and, you know, making this thing look pretty, but it ended up looking a lot better. I mean, I probably can paint it now. I don't know if I will, but yeah, it's just knocking all that surface rust off it and all that good stuff. But like that one's done too. Looks a hell of a lot better. And all the bushings are in. Those I found out you could do poly later on, but whatever. And then all those are in. So I just gotta get the undercoat ready tonight, and then I think I'm gonna try and look into the gas tank, like getting it back in. Donnie wanted to get it back in, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So it's going good. All right, well, that'll wrap up for today. I'm done. I'm gonna help Donnie clean up the pole barn and cut copper outside and all that stuff for our regular business, but it's all done and ready to rock and roll. And this isn't, it's not, it looks brown, but it'll dry black. Yeah, so that's all getting ready. That's almost all coated. Or, well, I'll probably spray one more time before I leave, and then that thing will be ready to rock and roll. But I got other stuff to do for work, so I got to get to that, and then next weekend I will get to putting this thing back together. Just got to order a few lines, that's all. But I'll see you in the next clip.